Hello, dear friends. I hope you are doing well. In our last video, we talked about central tendency and the three measures associated with it: the mode, the median, and the mean. In today's video, we'll consider another way of looking at our data. We will introduce measures of dispersion. We will dwell on the dispersion measure that is easiest to calculate, the range, and we will defer our discussion of the variance and the standard deviation to our next video. First, what is dispersion? In very simple terms, dispersion refers to the degree to which points in a dataset are scattered or spread out around an average. In other words, dispersion tells us how far apart the points are in a given distribution. And together with measures of central tendency, dispersion helps us understand the consistency and variability of our data. Let us consider these two distributions. As you can see, in these two distributions, the mean is 6. X bar equals 6 for the first distribution and the second distribution. Despite the fact that these two distributions look similar, there is reason to say that they are not as similar as they can be imagined. The reason is that the way the scores are spread in the first distribution is not the same as the way they are in the second distribution. And now, let's move on to the discussion of the first measure of dispersion, the range. The range is very easy to calculate because it only takes the fact of subtracting the lowest score from the highest. For example, if we have these scores that you can see, the range will be 7 minus 2 equals 5. To appreciate the utility of range, let us look at these two datasets. As we can see, both sets have 6 as a mean, but the first dataset has a range of 4, while the second dataset has a range of 19. Two datasets that have the same mean but have two different ranges. Let's look at these two bar charts for further illustration. In our next video, we'll address variance and the standard deviation. Stay tuned and encourage the algorithm to function by hitting the like button and by placing a comment. Thank you very much.